Greetings, health enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. We're already at day 11 of our healthy nutrition program. Isn't it incredible how time flies when you're having fun and eating well? If you're enjoying this journey, we encourage you to hit that like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to activate those notifications. Stay tuned with us as we continue exploring delightful meals that are as good for your body as they are for your taste buds. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's delicious and nutritious menu. Begin your day with a delightful keto cake with walnuts and butter. This isn't just any ordinary cake, it's a health-packed, flavorful treat that's perfect for anyone who's looking to keep their diet in check while still satisfying their taste buds. To start, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of coconut flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder for our dry mix. For the wet ingredients, gather 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and a cup of granulated erythritol. For a burst of flavor and a good dose of healthy fats, we're going to add a cup of chopped walnuts. Now, let's dive into the baking process. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is warming up, mix together the almond flour, coconut flour, and baking powder in one bowl, ensuring there are no lumps. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, then gradually add the erythritol while continuing to beat the mixture until it becomes light and fluffy. Melt the butter and let it cool slightly, then slowly add it into the egg mixture, ensuring it's well combined. Now it's time to marry the dry ingredients with the wet. Pour the egg and butter mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients, stirring gently until they're just combined. Add those crunchy walnuts last, folding them into the batter. Pour the batter into a lined cake tin and pop it into your preheated oven. Bake for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool before slicing, and there you have it, a delicious, keto-friendly cake that's perfect for breakfast, or really any time of the day. Now you have a breakfast that is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Enjoy this keto cake with walnuts and butter. A perfect start to your day on the journey of change. For lunch, we have a mouth-watering grilled salmon with fried vegetables and butter sauce. This dish brings together the heartiness of salmon, the freshness of vegetables, and the rich, velvety smoothness of butter sauce. Let's dive into the ingredients. You'll need a fresh salmon fillet, an assortment of your favorite vegetables, think bell peppers, zucchini, and broccoli, and some herbs like dill and parsley. For the butter sauce, gather unsalted butter, fresh lemon juice, and a dash of garlic. Let's start with the salmon. Season it generously with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of dill. Heat up your grill and place the salmon on it, skin side down. Let it cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Flip it over and let it grill for another 4 minutes or until it's cooked to your liking. While the salmon is grilling, let's move on to the vegetables. Chop them into bite-sized pieces and sauté them in a pan with a bit of olive oil. Sprinkle some salt and pepper for taste and cook until they're tender and slightly caramelized. Now for the star of the show, the butter sauce. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add in the finely chopped garlic and let it cook until it's fragrant. Squeeze in the fresh lemon juice, stir, and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. By now, your salmon should be perfectly grilled, with a crispy skin and a tender, flaky interior. Plate the salmon and surround it with a generous serving of your sautéed vegetables. Drizzle the warm butter sauce over the top, garnishing with some fresh parsley, and there you have it. A lunch that's not only bursting with flavors, but is also packed with essential nutrients. The salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids, the vegetables deliver a variety of vitamins and minerals, and the butter sauce adds a touch of indulgence. This is a lunch that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also provide you with the nutrients you need to keep you going. To end your day, we have a creamy Tuscan chicken with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes for dinner. Delight your taste buds with this luscious dish, a delectable blend of succulent chicken, creamy sauce, and vibrant vegetables. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a handful of fresh spinach, a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, a cup of heavy cream, garlic, unsalted butter, and a sprinkle of Italian herbs. Also, have a pinch of salt and pepper at hand for seasoning. Now let's dive into the cooking process. Begin by seasoning the chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. Heat a generous knob of butter in a large pan. When it's sizzling, add the chicken breasts and cook until they're golden brown on each side. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare our vegetables. Thinly slice the sun-dried tomatoes and mince a few cloves of garlic. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, sauté the garlic until it's fragrant. Then add in the sun-dried tomatoes and spinach. Cook until the spinach has wilted. Now it's time for the pièce de résistance, the creamy sauce. Pour the heavy cream into the pan with the vegetables. Let it simmer until it thickens slightly. At this point, you can adjust the seasoning to your liking. Finally, return the chicken to the pan, nestling it into the creamy sauce. Let everything simmer together for a few minutes. This allows the chicken to soak up the flavors of the sauce and the vegetables, and there you have it. Creamy Tuscan chicken with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes. This dish is a celebration of flavors with every bite. The tender chicken, the creamy sauce, and the tangy sun-dried tomatoes create a symphony of taste that will have you looking forward to dinner time. This dinner is a perfect blend of flavor and nutrition that will keep you satisfied and healthy. That wraps up our meals for day 11 of the Healthy Nutrition Program. We are so grateful that you joined us on this culinary journey. Now it's your turn to take these recipes into your kitchen. Whip up these dishes, relish their flavors, and don't forget to let us know how it turned out. We are excited to hear your experiences. Remember, your health is your wealth, so keep watching, keep learning, and keep eating healthy. Until next time, take care.